The Zonesun ZS-JGDB4 is a portable laser marking machine designed for versatile coding applications. With a 50 mm x 50 mm marking area, it supports printing on various opaque and non-reflective materials including wood, cardboard, plastics, packaging bags, electronics, and some painted metals. Equipped with a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen, it allows intuitive operation and efficient parameter setup. Compact and lightweight, the device features a protective cover, carrying handle, and built-in information editing system, making it ideal for flexible, safe, and precise marking in industrial and packaging environments.